Well, COVID politics is speaking once again because the opposition is asking some questions of the government and they say it's their right to do so essentially. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has written a letter to Prime Minister Modi questioning the centre's decision to export vaccines, stating that India is facing vaccine starvation. Rahul Gandhi said that more than 6 crore doses of the vaccines have been exported in the country already. He's also hit out at Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan's response over Maharashtra claiming that there is a shortage of vaccines. In order to tackle vaccine shortage and surge in cases, Rahul Gandhi has given out 7 suggestions before the Prime Minister, which includes universal vaccination, halt vaccine export, fast-track approval for other vaccine candidates, among others. Just yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had hit out at Prime Minister over the Tika Utsav event. Taking to Twitter, he said during vaccine shortage, amid crisis and cases of COVID increasing, this is not something that should be celebrated as a festival.
वैक्सीन कम पड़ रहे ठीक बात नहीं है। सब राज्यों में वैक्सीन उपलब्ध कराए गए हैं और जितना चाहिए उतना उपलब्ध हो रहा है।
I don't know what part of that statement is reassuring. If I was the Chief Minister, I would be very worried about what the Prime Minister said. He said everything other than addressing the elephant in the room, and the elephant in the room is the shortage of vaccines that a lot of states are facing. For example, in Maharashtra, they are going to town saying Maharashtra has been given 7.5 lakh dosage. The reality is Maharashtra is vaccinating almost 5 lakh people every day. That 7 lakh will not even last for 1.5 days. So this nonsense about chasing headlines has to stop. He has to ensure there is vaccines that are provided. And I have one question. Serum Institute that is manufacturing vaccines in India has very categorically said it does not have the money to ramp up manufacturing capacity. Why can the PM CARES Fund not give this organization a soft loan, adjust it against the vaccines that are being provided, and ensure that vaccines are ramped up?
Let's listen now to what Prime Minister Modi had said on Tika Utsav just yesterday.
11 अप्रैल ज्योतिबा फुले जी की जन्म जयंती है और 14 अप्रैल बाबा साहब आंबेडकर जी की जन्म जयंती है। क्या हम 11 अप्रैल से 14 अप्रैल पूरे अपने राज्य में टीका उत्सव मना सकते हैं? एक पूरा वातावरण क्रिएट कर सकते हैं टीका उत्सव का। एक विशेष अभियान चलाकर हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा एलिजिबल लोगों को वैक्सीनेट करें, जीरो वेस्टेज तय करें हम कि इन 4 दिन जो है टीका उत्सव में जीरो वेस्टेज होगा।
Well, as India battles the second surge of COVID cases, the second wave, so to speak, a big face-off is on over vaccination that has erupted between the government of Maharashtra and the centre. The Uddhav Thackeray government claims the stock of vaccine is running dangerously low, even alleging a conspiracy by the centre. But Sena's own ally, NCP, has praised the government's vaccination drive.
Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray getting his second COVID jab. His state is witnessing India's worst COVID spike and a crippling shortage of hospital beds. To make it worse, Maharashtra now claims it doesn't have enough to immunize the vulnerable. The ruling Sena has locked horns with the Modi government, saying the state has only a few more days of vaccines left, even alleging a conspiracy hatched by the centre. The charges earned a strong rebuttal from the BJP.
महाराष्ट्र को नीचा दिखाने की, महाराष्ट्र को एक प्रकार से संकट में लाने की, बदनाम करने की ये कोशिश चल रही है। महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर सबसे ज़्यादा प्रेशर है, सभी तरह का प्रेशर है, तो एक दूसरे के ऊपर टीका टिप्पणी न करने से केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकार ने एक साथ मिलकर लोगों की सेवा करनी चाहिए।
महाराष्ट्र सरकारने वॅक्सिनचं राजकारण बंद केलं पाहिजे, लोकांच्या जीवाशी खेळणं बंद केलं पाहिजे आणि काल केंद्रीय मंत्र्यांनी स्पष्टपणे महाराष्ट्राला किती वॅक्सिन दिल्या, त्यातल्या किती शिल्लक आहेत, किती अजून दिलेल्या आहेत हे देखील सांगितलं। आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं असं आहे की या संदर्भात जे टीका करतात त्यांनी हे बघितलं पाहिजे, महाराष्ट्रापेक्षा जवळजवळ दुप्पट लोकसंख्या असलेल्या उत्तर प्रदेशपेक्षाही जास्त वॅक्सिन या महाराष्ट्राला मिळालेल्या आहेत।
But the Aghadi government appeared split down the middle over this claim. Key ally and NCP chief Sharad Pawar backed the Modi government, saying it's helping Maharashtra in the COVID fight.
राज्य सरकारचे जे प्रयत्न आहेत त्या प्रयत्नांना आपल्या सगळ्यांचं सहकार्य हे मिळालं पाहिजे आणि या सगळ्या सामुदायिक प्रयत्नातून आपण कोरोनावर निश्चित मात करू.
But other opposition-ruled states like Delhi and Jharkhand have also cried foul.
जो भी ICMR के गाइडलाइन है उस ICMR के गाइडलाइन का पूरा अक्षरशः हम पालन कर रहे हैं. तो हम भी तो ये जरूर उम्मीद करेंगे कि हमारे साथ सौतेला व्यवहार नहीं हो और हमको कम से कम ये जो स्वास्थ्य विभाग है ये राजनीति का विभाग नहीं है, ये मानवता का विभाग है और ये पक्षपाती नहीं हो सकते हैं. लेकिन जिस तरीके से मदद की जा रही है वो यही कहा जाएगा कि ऊंट के मुंह में जीरा.
दिल्ली में वैक्सीनेशन ठीक चल रहा है. कुछ वैक्सीन कल मिली है हमारे को और वैक्सीनेशन की अभी हमारे पास 4-5 दिन का स्टॉक है. हमने आगे डिमांड कर रखी है, मिलता रहेगा.
The centre has already rejected claims of vaccine crunch, calling it scaremongering. Health Minister Harshvardhan branded it a stunt by Uddhav government and other opposition-ruled states to hide their failure to contain the pandemic.
महाराष्ट्र में इतने सब बोल रहे हैं, 5 लाख डोज तो खराब कर दिया. राज्य सरकार अपना काम ठीक नहीं कर पा रही है और दूसरे को दोष दे रही है. ये तो उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे ऐसी स्थिति है.
Amid the blame game, some positive news. With 34 lakh vaccines a day and over 9 crore jabs so far, India is leading the global vaccine drive. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.